everyone, Jim Fultz, National Technical Trainer with Copeland, here with today's tech tip. How many of you are still using a 1/4-inch pipe thread to go and test your manifold pressure on your gas valve? Did you know there's a simpler way? Let's talk about it. White-Rodgers actually makes the adapter kit. This adapter kit, 92-1003, is a kit with the new European tower style gas valve, allowing you to get your gas pressure without that threading out, threading in. How does it work? On your standard gas valve, you have the 1/4-inch tap. That's what I was used to till I found this out. These little ports here on the top, this is the outlet, this is the inlet. For testing your gas pressure, we call these towers, and there is a little Allen set screw in them. Here's how it works. In this kit, there is a small tube that will fit over that tower, an Allen wrench to loosen up that set screw, and instructions if you want to look at them. You simply take the Allen screw, put it into the set screw, and I'm going to have to do it the other way. Break it loose. 1/4 turn, you leave it in there. You don't even have to take it out. This fits smoothly right over that. Your manometer will hook directly onto this. Voila. You can check your gas pressure, and you don't have to worry about pipe dope or thread to fix that back up. When you're done, this simply pulls off. Your set screw gets tightened, that 1/4 turn, and you're good to go. Look for a 92-1003 at your supply house and make your gas pressure testing easier. Thanks for watching.